Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ian with Black Ops. Today we're going to be talking about the X3 rack support. Now we have two versions, so we're going to explain the difference between the two, as well as give you guys some pro tips on the install. Now there's two key differences between version 1 and version 2. The main one being material. Version 1 is made out of billet aluminum and utilizes a Delrin bushing. Version 2 is chromoly steel and utilizes a bronze bushing. Now, different materials for different uses. If you are someone who is racing very aggressively, driving hard every time, and maybe competing in extreme terrain races like King of the Hammers, version 2 might be the best one for you. But version 1 is beyond capable as well. It's the best bang for your buck. It's gonna stiffen up your steering, it's gonna dial in your steering rack, and overall make the Can-Am driving experience way better. Install and some pro tips for your X3 rack support. When installing, we do recommend removing the whole rack from the vehicle. The little bit of time spent removing all those bolts make the install way easier to get to instead of dealing with the tight area. It has been done, you can install it on the car, but like I said, we recommend removing it. As for the actual kit, you get some shims and some bolts. We do recommend at least trying out the shims on all of your installs just to see if you like it, but the main reason that you would use the shim is when you turn your wheel, if you begin to bind on one side, it may be too tight and just need to be adjusted with one of the 3 shims. Additionally, you get 2 bolts. On those 2 bolts, little pro tip here, there's 3 washers. The only reason we include those is just so that you don't per se lose one and run out of washers to properly install this kit. We tend to do that when we install, completely normal. That's why we just threw an extra one in there for you. Last thing on this kit, the bushing is the wearable part here. So if you find that your bushing is getting low, we do sell replacement parts at blackopsmachine.com. Additionally, all of our kits are lifetime warranty. So if the bracket for whatever reasons tends to wear out or break while you're racing, as a little bit of extra security, we threw a lifetime warranty in there for you guys. Give us a call if you have any more questions about this kit, or go check us out at blackopsmachine.com.